It's Emmy. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Emmy. I'm a certified nutritionist and the creator of the Slim on Starch program, where you lose weight on a plant-based diet while eating as much food as you want and not counting calories. So if you're interested in that, make sure you click the link in the down bar. Today, I'm so excited for this video. I am sharing with you guys 3 weight loss recipes that are all plant-based, all vegan, all oil-free. I do my hair flip. Check my nails. All right, I'm feeling good now. Gluten-free was what I was trying to say. And they are perfect for work. So I'm always getting asked, I mean, what can I bring for lunch to work? You know, I don't have a microwave, I can't cook when I'm there, obviously, and I want to lose weight on this plant-based diet. And so I'm really excited about these recipes because you can eat them if they've just been in the refrigerator, or honestly, like if I'm just being real with you guys, I would eat them room temperature. There, I said it. They're absolutely delicious. They are so easy and so simple. Now, if you are trying to lose weight on a plant-based diet, I want you to watch my video below called the top 3 mistakes I see when people are trying to lose weight. Make sure you check that out. Another thing that I want to talk about before we get into the video, because I know people are going to ask, and it is about, let me grab it, this. Okay, so this is an oil-free, sugar-free, salt-free sriracha, and I know people are going to ask, where the heck do you get this and where can I get it? I want to get my hands on it. Can't blame you, honey. It's 10 out of 10. This is the Well Your World brand of sauces. Click the link in the down bar so that you can check out not only the SOS-free sriracha, but there is also SOS-free, and when I say SOS-free, I mean salt, oil, and sugar-free, ketchup, barbecue sauce, Indian sauce, and Asian sauce. Honey, it is amazing. And my friend Dylan owns this company, and he is a just wonderful, smart, intelligent, and smart are synonyms. He is a kind-hearted, genuine, intelligent, he eats this diet, so obviously he knows what's up, human, and I just adore him. So please go support him. He's incredible, and he's incredible for making these as well. So this is the sriracha that I use in one of the recipes, and I just feel like I have to smell it right now. It smells so good. So these ingredients are absolutely amazing. As you'll see in the video, I'll flash them to you, but you guys gotta check him out. Click the link in the down bar so that you can get your SOS free sauces. And without further ado, let's get into these recipes. Alright guys, so we are starting out with a mashed chickpea and apple salad, and I'm putting this one first because it is my absolute favorite, and it's not the most aesthetically pleasing of all of the recipes, but it is so delicious. So you're going to start out with a can of chickpeas. Make sure that you drain them and you rinse them, and then you can go ahead and mash them. Now, if you want to do this all in a food processor, please be my guest, but I really wanted to show you guys that you don't need anything fancy to make any of these recipes. So I went ahead and used a fork, but you absolutely can use your food processor, and it might be better if you do use your food processor. Because it'll be easier to get these into the tiny little pieces, which is really best for this recipe. Of course, you don't want to overblend those chickpeas, so I would recommend slicing and dicing and all of these in the food processor first, and then going ahead and adding the chickpeas in. So I'm just slicing up some carrots and some celery. Next up, I am dicing half of a red onion, and I really do eyeball pretty much all of this. These recipes are all pretty forgiving, and I don't believe in counting calories or doing exact measurements of anything, so that is why I'm just using halves, wholes, and pieces and bits. So I have half of red onion and then half of an apple as well. And I just got the Gala apple because that was the one that was on sale. So whatever apple you enjoy, go ahead and use that one. I'm sure an Envy apple would be delicious. So I have chopped all of these up, and I'm putting them in with the mashed chickpeas. After mixing it, I'm adding in some of this salt-free mustard. You do not have to do salt-free. In fact, this recipe is not salt-free because I'm adding in a little bit of oil-free hummus, but any Dijon mustard is going to be delicious. Then I'm squeezing a lemon in, and then I'm gonna throw in some of this oil-free Engine 2 hummus. And like I said, I'm really just eyeballing everything, but it ended up being about 2 heaping spoonfuls. Mix it up and enjoy, honeys. Next up, I'm making a forbidden rice salad. Now, you can use any rice that you want, honestly, but I wanted to try out purple sticky rice. I got this off of Amazon and I thought it would be a fun time, so I got myself some of this purple sticky rice, but like I said, whatever rice you want to use, you go for it. So I'm doing a half a cup of rice, and how I cook this is I do a half a cup of rice with a half a cup of water, bring it to a boil, and then I put it on to low heat and set it for 30 minutes. Alrighty, and then I'm taking my tri-colored peppers. I have a red bell pepper, an orange bell, and a yellow bell. So I'm gonna go ahead and dice these up, and I'll see you next. Next up, I'm just going to chop up some scallions and add those in there. And then I'm going to add a little jalapeno. Now for making the sauce, honeys. So this sauce is super simple. I'm gonna start out with the Well Your World Sriracha, which is just the best. You guys gotta get it, link in the down bar. And I'm gonna do an equal part Sriracha to equal part soy sauce or tamari or liquid aminos, whatever you want. And then I just put in a little bit of rice vinegar as well to give it sort of that Asian flavoring. And this is very powerful sauce, honeys. So be very conservative with it. So you know what happens next, honeys. You just mix all these together. All right, honeys, this last recipe is so easy, I cannot even tell you. I'm all about simplicity. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take a sweet tater, and I just wrapped it in a damp paper towel and threw it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. That's how you cook it nice and quick. Then I'm just taking this pico de gallo that I bought from the store, and the only thing that's in it that you might want to be a little bit wary of is salt, but not the biggest deal in the world. And then I'm just mixing in some black beans. And then once my sweet potato is all cooked, I'm going to slice and dice it up and mix it right in there. It is so painfully easy. And then, as I'll show you in the video, I'm gonna serve these up by just having them in some romaine boats. It's so delicious and so painfully easy, and a weight loss meal. All right, honeys, make sure to click the link in the down bar so that you can get these SOS free sauces. Also, make sure you check out my top 3 weight loss mistakes video training so that you do not make those mistakes. And let's get cooking with these meals. Make sure you use the hashtag Healthy Hunnies if you are making any of these meals so that I can see them. And join the Healthy Hunnies so that you can post them in the group and make us all jealous. All right, honeys, I adore you, and I'll see you in my next video. Woo!